Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate Make.com with X or Twitter as known previously. So we are going to head over our account of X, then we are going to sign in into the account. Once you have did that, I'm going to leave here a link in the description or two links about the X developer platform, which is going to be the Twitter developer platform. And also, we're going to have here the support document from make.com to have some links or set up as the callback URL or the URI. So, what are we going to do in here? Basically, it is going to be very simple. We're going to head over make.com first, sign in for an account, and then we are going to see our specific organization or the desktop, not desktop, but the workspace. We're going to head over the connections. Now we're going to create another connection. So in here, I'm going to delete the first connection that I have. I think that I'm not going to be eligible to set up two connections in the free setup. So we are going to have here a new connection. So we are going to head over here and we are going to head over the specific, as you can see, connections. We're going to search for X. We are going to type in X. So we are going to search for Twitter or X. So we are going to type in Twitter. And normally we are going to find it in here. So this is it. X or formerly Twitter. So we are going to click on here. So depending on the automation that we want, for example, as you can see, we have posts. Posts, I mean lists, likes, and direct messaging, etc. So you can go ahead and set up the automations of the specific platform and set it up. So for example, here search post, create post or something like that. Basically, we are going to use it for creating posts. Now we are going to click on create a connection. So here we have the connection name. For example, I'm going to put here X, let's say here connection. And we're going to need the client ID and also the client secret. How we can use them or how we can find them. Basically, we're going to head over X Developer Platform, sign in for the same account that we have on Twitter, and click on Developer Portal. Once you have clicked on here, you're going basically to see this specific, as you can see, platform. You're going to head over the basic, and then you're going to sign up for free. So I'm going to do here, describe all of your use cases of Twitter. We are going to, for example, set up, for example, chatbot or chatbots like that. And then we are going to submit it like this. So we need to set up a description. Let's say here AI chat and creating, for example, posts or automatic posts and responding for clients or let's say here for people fast. We're going to have this as set up. So we need to here complete the 250 character. So here we've got our access to the developer portal. Now we're going to have here the, as you can see, the default project and also the names. So maybe you need to set up the name or set up the name in here or the name for the project. We're going to edit it. For example, we are going to have here make, for example.com, and we are going to put here connection to X, for example, like that. We are going to have it. You can go ahead and use a certain specific use, but I'm not going to do that. After that, we are going to extend the project and apps. Click on the number in here, which is going to be the name. Now we are going to scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, we are going to see user authentication settings. We are going to set it up. Now we are going to set up the app permission. Basically, we are going to have here read and write, and direct message. So basically, we are going to select or set up a bot, and we need it to read, write, and direct message. Now, type of the app, for example, here we have web app, automated app, or bot, or native app. So we are going to have this. And now we have the callback URI, and also we have the website URL. This is going to be the thing in here. So we are going to head over the platform or the help of the make.com. We're going to scroll down a little bit in here. We are going to see create a custom application in here. We're going to copy this. We're going to have it in here, and we're going to add another one, which is going to be this one. So we're going to have it just put right there. For the website URL, you're going to have this one. This is the website URL. We're going to copy, paste that in here, and boom. Now we're going to save the permission, and we're going to get the client ID that we are going to copy, and we are going to have it in the integration. Boom. Now we are going to have the, as you can see, client secret. We're going to put it in here and click on save. Boom, you're going to see the authorization. I'm going to make my approval to X or Twitter. It is going to set up the connection. You're going to have it just like that. So it is going to set up the account of ours. So I'm going to choose one of the accounts just like that, and we are going to connect it. So it is going to allow here things. So basically, I think that it has set up everything, and we're going to wait for it in here. So basically, it is going to set up everything. We need only to redo the process because we haven't connected our account yet, but it is going to be something normal. After that, you're going to have everything set up to create a post, automate a response, or everything. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.